Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this XIAOMI. Firstly, you need to open Devices Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Themes. Over here you need to select Fonts at the bottom next to Ringtones and Profile. And tap on the best font for you. I will go with maybe this one. When you're ready, select Free over here and tap on Apply. When I click on Home button, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you were to go back to your default one, just go into Themes again, select Fonts, but this time tap on My Fonts over here, choose Roboto one and tap on Apply. Lastly, choose Reboot in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!